Okay, I know it sounds a little dramatic, but my lashes? They literally started growing like crazy this past week. And no, it wasn't magic. I used a few simple tricks that actually work, and I'm spilling everything today. So grab your tea, bestie, and let's talk lashes. There are two amazing natural oils you can try, but no need to use both at once. Just pick the one that works best for you. Let's start with my holy grail, pure castor oil. I apply it at night using a clean mascara wand, right at the lash line. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamin E and promotes strong, healthy lash growth. I did this 3 to 4 times a week and saw results fast. Coconut oil is another great choice, especially if castor oil feels too heavy for your skin. It's still a thick oil, but it helps protect your lashes from breakage and keeps them moisturized. Apply a small amount with a Q-tip, either at night or in the morning, and always test it on one eye first if you're sensitive. Important, avoid using both oils together or switching constantly. Consistency with one product gives the best results and reduces the risk of irritation. And we need to talk about Vaseline because I've seen this everywhere, and you might have seen all over TikTok and YouTube. And it's kinda scary. Vaseline does not help your lashes grow. I know some people swear by it, but Vaseline can actually clog your pores, cause little white bumps, and it's honestly not safe for your eyes. Just skip it. There are better, safer ways. Your lashes deserve better. Make sure you're keeping your lash line clean. I double cleanse to remove all mascara and buildup. Dirty lashes won't grow, and rubbing them can cause damage. And lastly, don't forget your diet. I added more eggs, fish, nuts, and leafy greens into my meals. Foods rich in biotin, omega-3s, and protein. Your lashes need fuel too. So yeah, these little changes made a huge difference for me, and I hope they help you too. Remember, consistency is key, and your natural beauty deserves the best care. If you try this, come back and tell me how it worked. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more beauty tips that actually make a difference. Talk soon, Glow Babes. Stay radiant.